How to mark any particular code cell as read only in Google Colab. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can mark any particular cell in this particular notebook as read only. So for example, as you can see, I have this particular notebook loaded right onto the Google Colab right now. And let's say I wish to mark any particular block of code or the cell code as read only without actually having to comment out each and every line manually. So what I can do is simply click onto these three dots which are present over the particular cell. And once I do this, I will see this option which says mark cell as a read only. Simply enable this and now you can see that this particular message or chat will be successfully marked as read only. You can again click onto them and then from here you can simply change the same by simply undoing this particular selection. So that's how easily you can mark the cell as read only. And that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.